To fix a fridge compressor that's not working, several potential issues need to be addressed. The most common reasons for a malfunctioning compressor include a faulty thermostat or temperature control, a defective overload protector, or faulty codes. To resolve these issues, start by adjusting the thermostat. Begin by unplugging the fridge from the power source. Then locate the thermostat behind the control panel. Use a multimeter to test the thermostat for continuity. A reading close to 0 indicates the thermostat is working, while an infinite reading suggests it's faulty and needs replacement. After testing, reassemble the control panel, plug the fridge back in, and set the thermostat to the desired temperature. Allow the fridge to run for a few hours to ensure it's operating correctly. If the issue lies with the overload protector, replace it by first turning off the power, then locating the protector near the compressor at the back of the fridge. Disconnect the wires to remove the damaged protector. Properly position the new one against the compressor. Reconnect the wires, and turn the power back on. Listen for the compressor to start. In cases where fault codes are the problem, unplug the fridge and locate the control board. Refer to the user manual to enter diagnostic mode in the control panel. Interpret the fault codes using the manual, and perform the necessary troubleshooting steps. By following these procedures, it's possible to fix a fridge compressor that's not working, getting your appliance up and running again.